Hi guys, I'm Vaishnavi. Welcome back. Today we are going to react to another video, and it is Atul Khatri on the Justin Bieber concert. So personally, I tend to enjoy a lot of these, like a lot of these older comics. Like Amit Tandon, like Atul Khatri, and this is an older video, but now he has a Netflix special. He's blown up, all of that. And I think he's pretty funny because he's not trying to like act young or anything. He's genuinely confused, and he brings in that angle of dad jokes, which I find pretty funny. It's pretty lame. And most of why I picked this video was because I think when I was younger, um, I was really into Justin Bieber. I was a believer, and the entire thing. I was very obsessed with it, and to this day, I don't think it has died down. But I think it's pretty funny because obviously, as you grow up, you tend to listen to different music. So yeah, let's just start watching the video.
I've got two daughters. One of my daughters is around 18, one is around 22. My wife's in her mid 40s and she's wanting to get into her 20s. And here I am in 49 looking like I'm in my 80s. And people keep on telling me, dude, you look like the father of three girls, you look like the father of three. And I take it as a compliment, Not because my wife looks young, because at this age I can, successfully manage to raise three kids. It's a fucking achievement. I look up to myself. But guys, few months back something happened. Something terrible happened, which I want to share with you. Please don't judge me for it. But a few months back, I went for the Justin Bieber concert. Don't judge me for it. Please don't judge me for it. Somebody who's grown up listening to Black Sabbath, Jethro Tull, Led Zeppelin, and now fucking Justin Bieber, From Stairway, you know the lyrics of Stairway for Heaven? There's a lady who knows all that glitters is gold. And she's buying a stairway to heaven. And now to baby, baby, baby. Ooh. Fucking what a drop, yeah, what a drop. Yeah. But baap ko kya karna pata, let me tell you. Actually, it started all in March, where the Justin Bieber announced his concert in Dubai. And these three girls in my house went crazy. Oh my God, he's coming to Dubai, so close by, so close by. I told her, I know the internet has made the world a smaller, but it's Dubai, not fucking Dadar. And I like a Sindhi, I was thinking of the lakhs of rupees in my brain, And after a few months, he announced a concert in Vashi. He announced a concert in Vashi in Navi Mumbai. And three of them went mad. Oh my God, we are so lucky. He's coming to India. As if Bhagwan Ram was coming to Ayodhya after 14 years. उस रात हमारे घर पे रबड़ी बनी थी कि भगवान राम आ रहे हैं, जस्टिन बीबर आ रहे हैं. I said, चलो ठीक है, मेरे पैसे बच गए, at least he's come over here. And then after a few days, the tickets went on sale. I was at work at 2:30. My phone was on silent mode. Suddenly, I saw fucking 40 missed calls. I called up saying, buy the tickets, it'll go on sale. During the 12th standard admission, they were not so worried. So I went online, I said, okay, the tickets are 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 25,000, 70,000, and kidney and what all it was. Just keep on going. What should I say? Papa, buy 15,000 rupee ticket. For an artist who charges not more than 750,000 rupees for his own ticket, paying 15,000 for somebody else's ticket, बहुत दिल को लगता है. But the thing is, I love my daughters too much. I said, chalo, theek hai, I didn't go to Dubai, let me buy. So I said, okay, I'll buy 3 tickets. No, Papa, why 3 tickets? Even you have to come. I said, I'm not interested. Papa, how will we go to Vashi all alone? Bhancho Jal could go to Dubai. Can't go to Vashi. Papa, we don't know how to go to Vashi. Dubai is easy, take a flight, go to Dubai. Vashi, we don't know how to go. I said, Bacha, what is the South Mumbai attitude? We said North Bombay, we know where Vashi is, Bacha. So I said, then my wife added ungli to it. No, you don't spend enough family time with us. I said, 3 of you, my family, not that bloody dhakkan. I said, chalo, theek hai. I said, under pressure, I said, kharid dunga, बाद में जाके black में बेच दूंगा. After 7 days, they called me up. Papa, we are going to H&M and Zara for shopping for the concert. I said, Acha, you all are also going to perform with him? No, Papa, how can we go to a concert with old clothes? I said, 15,000 rupees, people will be watching him, Bacha, not y'all. Then wife added, no, I said, go, just go. I said, chalo, story khatam, now enough. One day before the show, my wife came to me with this SMS. See, look how sweet they are. They sent an Uber discount for 25%. Bastard, I paid 60,000 rupees for tickets. They should have sent a Maruti Alto second hand in that price. Then the day of the concert came, I was going to work. My daughters asked me, Papa, where are you going? I said, I'm going for work. Papa, we have to go to the concert. I said, but that's at 8 o'clock in the evening. But Papa, we have to go early. I said, why? You all have to open the stadium. You all have the keys. तुमको झाड़ू कटका मारने उधर? No, no, Papa, we have to go early because Alan Walker is playing. I said, who is this Alan Walker? You don't know who Alan Walker is? I said, no, I asked my wife, you know Alan Walker? She's saying, yes, I know Alan Walker is. I said, Alan, who the fuck is Alan? Papa, you don't know who Alan Walker is? I said, Bacha, I only know one Walker, black, gold and blue. Who's this Alan Walker? Papa, he's a very famous DJ. And you know what his speciality is? I said, what? He doesn't have arms, legs, plays tracks with his mind. No, Papa, he wears a hood and a mask. Nobody knows where he stays, where he comes from, where he grows. True story. Go Google him, you know. I said, ye kaun sa naya chutiya hai? Then why are we going early? How the fuck we know it's him playing? For all you know, it's DJ Dattu from Sanpada. But then we had to go early, like Chutias, we reached there at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Hot sun, ready. You know, we went over there, you know, and, you know, this entire controversy broke out that Justin Bieber was lip syncing. You think that really was the problem? I'll tell you what the problem was. They were selling a bottle of water there for 200 rupees. I said, chalo, theek hai, they were thirsty. I said, I'll buy a bottle. He started putting in disposable glasses, 5 of them. I said, मैं किधर उठा के जाऊंगा? Give me the bottle now. He said, no sir, bottle is not allowed in the stadium. I said, why? Because people will throw the bottle on the stage. I said, तू चूतिया हो गया कि 200 रुपए की बॉटल मैं उस चूतिया पे फेंकूंगा? I have already thrown 60,000 rupees, my self-esteem, everything I've thrown. This bottle is more precious than my children. इसको घर पे लेके जाऊंगा, ग्लास में एनग्रेव करके, ड्राइंग करके, 200 साल में उसमें पानी पीऊंगा मैं से. Lip syncing was the problem. I'll tell you what the problem was. They were selling a 6-inch subway there for 300 rupees. You know what that means? 1 inch for 50 rupees. I bought 1 6-inch. I said, you all take 1 inch. I'll eat 3 inch. बाप तुम्हारा हूँ मैं. Lip syncing was the problem. Buddy, this guy came to perform in front of 60,000 people wearing shorts, t-shirt and skeds. While my wife and daughters just started applying makeup at 6 a.m. in the morning. On the previous day. Wearing fucking clothes from Zara. And that guy came like this. Buddy, when the concert started, I said, you all go ahead. I'm quietly standing behind, you know. And then my comedy fans came, oh, Mr. Khatri, you are here at the Justin Bieber concert. So embarrassing, you know. You are a believer, sir. You are a believer. I said, believer kya hota? Sir, fans of Justin Bieber are called believers. You are a believer. I said, no, I'm a fan of Bahubali. I'm a Bahubali. You know, honestly, I don't think he was lip syncing. Because from where we were, you know, we couldn't see his lips, his face, anything. The stage was in Vashi, we were in Airoli.
And I thought what was really funny is how he's making fun of his wife here. Because, I mean, his wife is also like, oh my god, you don't know who Alan Walker is. I mean, yeah, that was quite funny. And also, now that I've watched the video, like, I look back and we used to have a poster of Justin Bieber in my room. Now there's a poster of Led Zeppelin in my room. Find that pretty I don't know. Like, there's a lot of change that has happened in all these years, and yeah, but I would still 100% side with Justin Bieber if he came. And I think I had a lot of regrets back then when I didn't attend that concert, because it was like, oh my god, he's in Mumbai and I'm here. How can I not go? Kind of broke my heart a little, but it's cool. It's cool. And one more thing I really liked was that he brings out that comparison between Justin Bieber and him, because he's like, how can you charge someone 15,000 or 25,000 or 75,000 kidney to attend your concert? And he's like, I charge what, 750 to 1,000 bucks. And I really like that comparison he made between them being artists. But apart from that, I really get the fact where he was annoyed with the girls wanting to go to Zara and shop and everything. And I feel like I'm that sort of kid too, because I don't know, it doesn't even have to be a concert. It'll be someone's birthday. It'll be something I wear once, and he's like, "What's the point of it?" And they go anyway. I think that's something that happens to me all the time. That's something I think I tend to do a lot. And even the bit where he said they start putting makeup at 6 in the morning the previous day, like when you're getting ready for a concert, wow, you just have to deck up and go. I absolutely like side with that. And it's really nice hearing the other side to it, because I mean, I think I would have acted the same way as his daughters did, as the entire clan did. And I mean, I can only imagine that, you're spending so much money. What I feel bad for is, like, there's so many, like, teenage young girls there. And, they're screaming at the top of their voices, the top of their lungs, whatever the term is. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure you'll be so annoyed and no water, no food. You're just trapped. So I thought the entire take of the video was pretty interesting. Yeah. And yeah, I think that's just like my 2 cents on it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.